Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see the solution of this question. Write a function that returns the sum of elements of an array. So for this, we are going to create a function, maybe sum array, and we are going to pass array in the parameter. Inside of this, we are going to define a variable called sum, and we are going to initialize it with 0. For the next step, we are going to run a loop through the length of the array. So I will be equals to 0. I will run till array of length and will increment by 1 every time. So inside of loop, what will happen is every time we'll add the value of the array into the sum. So sum is equals to sum plus array of I. Or we can also write this as sum plus equals to array of I. This is the syntactic sugar of the previous line. So let us test with one of the solution, one of the array, const result as equals to, we're going to call this function, we're going to pass array inside of this, and we are going to console the result. So the sum of this array would be 20, I think. Let's run the file. Okay, sorry. I forgot to return the sum. So if we return the sum, we get 20. Why I got undefined earlier? Because if in JavaScript function, if we do not return anything, it automatically returns undefined. So that is why, since I was not returning anything, it by default returned undefined. So yes, this was the solution of this question. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.